Hello everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmei. So, I hate Labubus. So why, you may ask? Well, because they are the literal spawn of Satan. But today I'm gonna fix that with the power of art. Yes, today I'm making these hideous monstrosities into a cute anime boy. And you're correct, that is Sanu from Enhypen. I see you K-pop stans. I'm using this adorable little picture of him because he's doing like the cute little heart cheek pose thing you only need. It's just so cute. I want to make my human Labubu actually adorable and not trying to be adorable and failing miserably. Whew, sorry, just had to get that out of my system, you know? I always like the challenge of trying to make something that's ugly into something pretty or nice to look at. And what's more pretty to look at than cute anime boys? Okay, I've done enough yapping, let's actually get into the illustration. Obviously, I'm just doing some sketching, it's kind of boring. But here, look at this hideous Labubu. I had to draw one because I'm drawing a Labubu, so I had to make it recognizable as a Labubu. Why did I do this to myself again? Oh yeah, thanks a lot, Colleen. Anywho, let's move on to the line art. Yeah, I actually like doing the line art. You can call me a masochist, it's accurate. Now we're just lining the eyes and the eyebrows and the nose and the mouth and yeah, the face. By textbook definition, that is what defines the face. Unless you're looking at Webster's dictionary, which of course always has to prove me wrong. Let's draw the hands! Woohoo! Hands! Yeah, nobody likes hands. Even I don't like hands, and I'm apparently a masochist. But I do like drawing the nails. I like making the nails nice and sharp. So sharp to the point where it's actually almost impossible to open a pickle jar with. No, I'm not speaking from experience. How dare you assume correctly? Anyway, I'm doing the fuzzy hoodie now because the fuzzy hoodie is the piece de résistance. Did I say that correctly? Sorry, French speakers. So I'm trying to make the texture of the hoodie kind of soft and fluffy looking, so it kind of looks like fur, but not really fur, if that makes sense. Synthetic fur is kind of what it is. Time to do the hair. The hair strands are one of my favorite parts. I know some people really struggle with hair and they hate doing it, but for some reason it's very calming to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's that masochist thing coming out again. I don't know. Maybe I'm a furry too because I'm drawing a human version of a Labubu. Does that make me a furry? I don't know. Why am I exposing myself in 4K today? Anyway, back to the hair. I like to make the shapes kind of interesting. They kind of overlap each other. They kind of fall over one another and make intriguing triangular shapes. I'm really bad at describing things, I'm sorry, but I'm trying my best. Okay, it's time to line this little monstrosity here. Honestly, I have no one to blame for this but myself, but here I am, lining a Labubu. I really never thought I would stoop so low. But to be honest, this Labubu out of all of them isn't quite as ugly as some of them. Maybe it's just because I really like the color pink, or maybe it's because it's slowly devouring my soul as I draw it. But really, it's anyone's guess. Of course, you gotta draw on those ugly little teeth, because the ugly little teeth are so quirky, so marketable. It's only allowed to be quirky and marketable in my drawing. I own you now, Labubu. I own you. It's coloring time! Yay! First, I'm filling off the silhouette with one solid color, and then I'm gonna drop in the skin tone and the hair tone. And if you're confused at all on how I drop in the color like this to the line work, go watch my other video, which is a hair tutorial. Let's make his eyes pink, just like the Labubu. This particular Labubu also has little hearts in its eyes, which I'm gonna add in later. Let's fill in them eyebrows. We don't want him to be eyebrowless, even though Labubu is eyebrowless because he's hideous. I'm just kidding. I know I'm ragging on Labubu a lot, but I kinda just don't like how they sell their products for this much money when they look like that. Honestly, the human population continues to surprise me, and not in a good way. But I guess here I am drawing a human version of a Labubu, so I guess I'm not much better. This has been a very eye-opening experience for me. So moving back to the eyes, we're finally gonna put those little hearts in. I'm gonna define them a lot more later though. And then of course we have to shade the hoodie because we have not done that yet and it looks flat as a pancake. And while we do enjoy a good pancake over here on my channel, I do not want my art to look like pancakes, and neither should you. Strive for better, guys. Go beyond the pancake. Time to start shading that hair in. We gotta be sure to add that drop shadow in for the hoodie. And no, I'm not talking about drop bears. Drop bears? Drop bears? No, clear. Okay, we gotta give him some lip color because he can't be walking around with musty, dusty, crusty lips like that. Even if he is a Labubu, he still deserves better than that. Let's color in this jewelry, put some shading, put some shine, and it'll look like jewelry. Trust. Same thing for the hair. You're gonna use the lasso tool to put in some nice shading, and then we're gonna put in some highlights. Yeah! Let's speed this part up a little bit. We don't got all day, now do we? Okay, let's shade in this hand with the lasso tool because everything should be used with the lasso tool because the lasso tool is the best thing ever and I'm getting married to it next week. I hope you're coming to my wedding. No, but seriously, look how easily you can make these shapes. I mean, it's just no contest. Let's fill in the little earsies with some shading. And then, of course, the very boopable nose. If your nose is not boopable in your drawings, what's the point of them? Am I right? Or am I right? Time for the little shark teeth. And tell me if you guys like shark teeth. Are you into shark teeth? Is that a thing? Because I see that on a lot of different characters nowadays. Like Chainsaw Man, for example. Or Rin from Iwatobi Swim Club. That man was so angsty, but that's why I loved him. My young little impressionable heart ached for him. Adding in the cheeks. We gotta add in the cheeks on the human version too, obviously. And coloring the underside back part of the hoodie because it's gonna be in a little bit more shadow. From here on out, I'm just starting to define more of the details, more of the little small things that people are not even gonna look at when they're looking at the drawing for like one split second. But I have to do it or my OCD will never let me hear the end of it. Let's make this hoodie a little bit more fuzzy with a textured brush. Really, it can be any kind of textured brush, it doesn't matter too much. As long as you're painting back in it, you're making everything look nice and floofy, it doesn't matter. Now with most of these things done, it's time to add the final touches. And by final touches, I mean liquefying the F out of everything and then putting in a background. Ooh, look at it in all its glorious Labubuness. Okay, no, I'm never gonna say that word again. All things considered, I think we did a pretty good job in making this human Labubu look yossified. Did we yossify it, guys, or did we ruin it even more? Let me know in the comments what you think. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribble dibble if you like this video. Bye bye!